Veronica, good morning. It's good to have you with us on Smile this morning.
Oh, thank you so much for having me. It's such a pleasure. I hope the sun is shining where you are, because here in the UK, Manchester, it's quite dull and rainy.
It's the same here in Kingston, Jamaica.
No way.
It is. It is. It's all sorts of tropical storms and weather patterns out there that are causing us some rain this morning. But an educator holding a master's degree in education and a diploma in personal life coaching. Why did you go in the direction of life coaching?
Wow. So, you know what? For over 10 years, I had been working as a teacher, an educator, right? An examiner. And I diverted into the coaching world because I felt that there was so much more to do in the world. There was so much more to tap into. The kind of change I wanted in the world was for people to unlock their potential, to be inspired, to be empowered, and to transform their lives to the best of their abilities and the best of their capacity. So as a coach, what I did, I evolved. So over the 5 years that I've been working as a coach professionally, I now say, I unearth your treasures, your experiences, your knowledge, your talents, your gifts, and we unearth that. And what we do is we create this powerful offer, this package that you can deliver to the world. So I'm all about service and how we can unlock our potential so that we can be of service to our people, to our tribe. So I mainly work with uprising coaches, with consultants, and I help them unearth their treasures, package that into an offer, an online course, an online program, so that they can impact the world. It's like the ripple effect.
Sure, cascading, right? Each one reach one.